Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to Bluetooth on your iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, go to Privacy and Security. Once you are here, you want to go tap on Bluetooth. And here are going to be applications which have access to your Bluetooth settings. So, the app clips have requested the ability to use Bluetooth. Bases, Bose Music, CMF Watch, Garmin Connect, Galaxy Watch, Honor Health, Huawei Health, JBL One, JBL Portable One, and Withings, as you can see in my case. And also I can just give them an access or just deny the access to my Bluetooth, as you can see. And you're going to be able the same with not the same applications, because maybe you don't have the same as mine, maybe you have others, but all applications that have ever requested the ability to use Bluetooth will appear here, as you can see. So then you can just manage by tapping the buttons, turning them green, so it means they have access. Now, for example, the Garmin Connect doesn't have access to the Bluetooth. So again, how to get to the setting. So open Settings, swipe down, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Bluetooth, and these applications have the access to your Bluetooth, which are on the green. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!